Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Will and this is the With Me YouTube channel. Before we get into today's video, guys, if you can do me a massive solid, scroll down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free to you guys to subscribe, and what it really does is it helps me out as a creator grow on YouTube and please the whole algorithm. But what it does for you is that it'll send you a notification and just keep you alerted for whenever I post new content out there. But yeah, guys, if you like the video, or if you like what we're doing on the channel, or if you just want to be supportive, yeah, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's really appreciated. It's going to be a pretty quick one for you guys today. And as always, we're talking about that big girl right back there, my 2021 Ram TRX. I recently just brought it into the dealership to have a service done, oil change, tire rotation, inspection, and all that. And as I was there, they kind of informed me of a few important recalls that needed to get done to the truck, and this really affected early build date Ram TRXs. Mine was a very, very early 2021 truck. So this affected my truck, but it also might affect some of you guys out there. There were two recalls that needed to get done on the truck. The first one was in regards to a software update with the rear view camera, and I have a printout of all of this, so I'll go ahead and show you that. But the first one, like I said, it was a software update. So I guess it wouldn't really be considered a recall. I don't know, they called it a recall, but it was just updating the software to improve the graphics with the backup camera. I can't really tell the difference, to be 100% honest with you. I never really thought the graphics were all that bad to begin with, but apparently they're a little bit better now. But recall number two is a little bit more important in my opinion. And that had to do with the actual hood latch on my truck. So apparently, Ram forgot to wire in like some resistor or some part that had to do with the hood latch that would let the truck know if the hood was open. Now, you might think this is just like a safety concern, and it definitely is. You don't want to be driving down the road and not know your hood's open, and then all of a sudden you get a surprise and the hood comes up. But the Ram TRX has a pretty cool feature, and you have to go into the performance pages to find all of this, but you have a race cooldown feature. And what that does is if you're at the track or if you're running your truck hard and it's starting to overheat or get really high in temps, you can pull over and you can go in and hit this race feature or race cooldown feature, and it will start to cool down the engine. I'm pretty sure all the Hellcat equipped vehicles have this, but on the TRX, I have never been able to get to use this because I guess one of the steps is you have to have your hood open to run this cooldown. But if the truck doesn't know that the hood's open, it's never gonna, log on there. So what they had to do essentially was wire in a complete whole new wiring harness and connect everything so it would, alert the truck that the hood was open, so now you could go in and run this race feature. But yeah, if you have an early TRX, you definitely want to look into this because you're not getting the use of all your features. And if the day comes when you're at the track or you're running your car hard and you want to, use that feature and for some reason it's not working, it could be because you don't have the correct wiring. So definitely, if you have a 2021 Ram TRX, hit up your local dealership, talk to service, and see if you need to go ahead and get this recall done. Let me go ahead and show you inside the truck what all this is about. So I want to get up in here. Obviously the truck be on. You go over to your little mode selection over here, so it brings up this screen. We go over to race options right up there, and then right down here we're on the launch control menu right now. Then here got your whole shift lights and all that. Then at the bottom got your race cooldown. Once all of these are all lit up green, as you can see, it's just different things that you have to, do. You just go ahead, click race cooldown, and right now on the outside, you don't really hear any of the fans going or anything like this, but they should kick on any second now, and it's pretty loud. But those fans, I'm assuming that are on the radiator, they really bring down the engine temps pretty quick. So let's see if they're gonna kick on any second now. All right, there it goes, finally turns on. So like I was saying, it's pretty loud, but those fans, they're doing their job, bringing down the engine temps again. Then we climb back up in here, and as you can see, the temperatures start to decline as it reaches that target temp. As soon as it reaches that, it'll turn off the fans. Pretty cool, huh? All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Quick short little informative video just talking about the old girl back there. So if you liked the video, if it was helpful, go ahead guys, do me a massive favor and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below. I try my best to always reply to everyone's comments. So yeah guys, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later everybody.